Good morning to you. It's just approaching 10:45. Today on the show, we're going full-on Blue Peter Styly. Love this music. They were 60, weren't they, a couple of weeks ago? Yes, I'm attempting to make a Christmas lantern in real time, folks. Yeah. Forget this is one we've done earlier. I'm going to do this whilst chatting to two artists who are running a workshop today in Gloucester ahead of the city's lantern procession tomorrow. I'm pleased to say that Philip Battle, who's had only a biscuit for his breakfast this morning. Philip, that's not going to get you through the day.
No, I know. Well, I got a pack of 3 biscuits and Catherine had 2 of them and I just ended up with 1.
Catherine,
that's the way it is, you know?
Goodness
you didn't have to say that.
Catherine McMahon joins us in the studio this morning. So, do you two know each other then?
We do.
We do.
We've
worked together a long time.
We're partners, but we've worked together for... How long have we worked together, Catherine?
25 years.
25 years as artists, as workshop artists.
Yeah.
We've done a lot of street art and we've worked around the country. We've gone abroad. We've done the Singapore Arts Festival 3 times.
Wow.
We've worked all around the Middle East.
And don't forget we were in Gloucester last year.
All around Europe. Yeah, we were in Gloucester last year. We did people may remember all the pavement artists that were in King Square last year. We had about 20 or 30 artists from around the world come to Gloucester last year for a weekend festival, and so we did that. Yeah, but our involvement in Gloucester goes back many years. In fact, for about the year 2000, we did the
way back to the Glow Festival.
The Glow Festival on the
it?
dock. We did an art trail around Gloucester and stuff like that. So we've done a lot in Gloucester. Yeah.
So you love the city. Okay, let's just set out what we're going to do and then we can carry on chatting while we're doing it.
Sure.
So we're making a Christmas lantern. Here's one that you made earlier. Now that's beautiful. That looks great. It's it looks like a kind of, a lamp that you would get at home. It's kind of, what's that, like square shape? What's that
like a
shape
square
called?
Shaped lamp.
Yeah. An elongated square, like a rectangle.
A little bit, a little bit bigger than that.
I paid no attention in maths lessons. On the outside, we've got snowflakes.
Yeah,
Yes.
snowflakes.
Made of paper.
Paper.
And then we've got a polystyrene bottom here.
Yes, polystyrene. They were originally made as floating lantern workshops. So we were asked by a company in Manchester to involve lots of people in making stuff. So we had to... Our job as workshop artists is to make it really simple for people to get involved and really accessible. So we had to distill it down and we had to work out a way of doing it so that we could make hundreds of them, literally. And for that event, we made over 2,000 lanterns in 2 days with people just coming along and making them. So we made them really simply so people can come along and feel like they've made something
They've
that's
achieved
real.
something.
Yeah, so we give them the ingredients
and then they mix them all together.
They mix them all together like baking a cake, and hopefully they will come out with something they can feel proud of.
Okay, we've got about 7 minutes, so should we crack on? And just before people get excited, because people do get excited about
we know this.
sky lanterns.
Yes.
So these aren't the ones that go in the air and then fall to the ground and then set people's barns on fire.
No.
But
we know of them.
We know, but they're not those.
They're not
you can
those.
carry these safely.
We can carry these.
And they're lit by LED lights.
So no fire.
No fire.
The smoke alarms aren't going to go off.
Safe.
Health and
Fantastic.
safety.
Okay,
at all times.
Right then, let's get started. Let's do this. Everybody can join in at home.
Everyone can join in.
Yeah.
So what we need is 2 sheets of A4 paper.
2 sheets of A4 paper.
There we
Thank you.
go.
So that's it. Just nick those from the printer at work. It's fine.
That's it. You can just use
Great.
that.
Use that.
And what we need to do now is put them side by side.
Side by side.
So landscape,
Landscape.
Landscape side by side.
Philip, you've already confused me because you've given me 3 pieces of
Oh,
paper.
sorry.
Oh my goodness, this is not going well.
This is workshop conditions.
Workshop conditions.
Here we go.
There you go.
We put them side by side. Don't overlap them. And we've got some sellotape there.
There we
So
go.
if you want to sellotape the edge.
Oh, that's a lovely sound effect.
Yeah.
Look at that. So stick those 2 together, yeah?
Stick them 2 together.
Any overlap?
With no overlap at all.
No
They just
overlap.
come up edge to edge. right?
perfectly joined.
It's hard because I've got all my
I know,
keyboards in
it's,
front of me.
yeah.
Hold on a minute.
It's perfect for the radio, this,
There
isn't
you
it?
go. This is perfect.
It takes you back to the 1940s, you know, when you used to...
yeah.
It's a bit like Blue Peter, isn't it?
It is.
Blue
Does
Peter on the radio.
it matter if I've stuck one of my own hairs into the sellotape?
No,
Well, that adds
Like
to it,
that,
really.
there,
That'll
right.
add
That's
to
right,
it.
adds to it,
It's
right?
nice
Right.
Christmassy. Yep, done that.
So, okay,
Oh my goodness,
I've
I'm
got
winning
no
at this.
I've got no sellotape, so I'll
Yeah,
just
there you go.
I'll talk you through
There
it.
we go.
Oh,
Right.
okay. Thank you very much.
So
There
make
you go.
sure it is top to bottom. Yeah.
Yeah.
Top to
Yeah,
bottom,
bottom.
perfectly matched up.
Okay.
Beautiful. There you go. I've stuck 2 pieces of paper together, everybody.
Hey.
I am winning at life. This
Right,
is
okay.
awesome.
Now take the
Take your
left
either ends. So maybe
or
your left.
left
yeah.
end
Go from
and
your left
fold it into the middle.
into the middle.
Yeah. And then do the same.
And then crease it down. Yeah.
Yeah.
Origami.
So you're
Oh,
building
it's-
that box shape.
This
Okay.
is quite therapeutic, actually.
It's
Fold
good
that into
fun,
the middle.
actually.
A bit of sellotape.
More sellotape. And
More
stick those
sellotape.
2 edges together, yeah?
Yep, that's it.
Naturally. I just know what I'm doing, everybody. This is so
Should have brought more sellotape.
Okay.
Yeah, done that.
Okay, so we've got a basic box shape there.
Yeah.
Have we all got box shapes,
Yeah.
everyone?
Beautiful.
Everyone in the studio, we're all making them together here. Lovely. Okay,
Okay, so
now we're going to decorate them. So we've got some pre-cut
just give it a
circles
crease. You
here.
missed an important point. Give it a crease all the way
yeah.
down your sellotape line,
Go on
so
then,
you get that box
You're
shape.
creasing at home.
creasing.
Crease-
Come on,
Creasing
don't
at
forget to
home.
crease.
Yeah.
There you go.
Imagine
Right,
on the kitchen
okay.
table now.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, no pressure. We've only got 4 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, we can
we've
do
got
this.
4 of these.
Oh, thank you.
These are our snowflakes. They're pre-cut circle bits of paper.
Yeah.
So, all different colours.
So,
I'll
one
just
for
give
each
you colour.
side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One for each side. And what we're going to do is what we kind of used to do at school. When we used to fold them, I don't know if people ever remember doing this at school.
Can you do 4 in one go?
Yeah, you
I'm
can
gonna
do 4 in one go. I'll just
quicker.
do 1 just to demonstrate.
Yeah.
Fold them probably into 4 like that. So
So
you've got
these are like
a,
circles about as big as your hand, aren't
Yes.
they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
so you've
And
got
you're
like
down to a tiny triangle. So
a,
you're gonna.
like a cheese wedge, and you can do it
Yeah.
smaller if you want. Yeah,
Yeah.
you can do it. There you go.
It depends how detailed you
It
want.
looks like a piece of cheese,
There's a piece of cheese.
Okay.
and then we cut shapes into that.
Don't stick cheese to your lantern. It's not going to stay on, is it? And then it won't melt because it's not real. So I'm waiting for scissors now.
Oh,
Thank
have you got no
you.
scissors?
I've got no scissors. So I'm going to go
Okay.
freestyle now. There you go. Ah, I can't cut through this because there's 4.
Oh, there's 4 of them, isn't there?
Oh, this is not working. Okay. All right, you
Oh, we
keeping
just
up at home? Oh, this,
Keep
this is
cutting.
not working.
Keep cutting. Have you got?
Okay, that'll do.
Okay.
3
and
minutes.
If you open it out,
Yeah.
magically,
Ta-da! Beautiful.
You'll have a lovely
can you
snowflake.
all see that on the radio?
Yeah, that's beautiful. So Philip's made
Absolutely
a snowflake.
gorgeous,
That's
isn't it?
gorgeous.
So we've all got them, and
There we go.
I've done a white snowflake on a white background, which
It's okay. That's fine.
no, okay.
We'll
Right,
be
anyway,
using lots of different colour
Philip, you're-
papers on the
Philip,
day.
you're the expert,
I know,
and you've made
I know,
a white
I know, but
snowflake
this isn't-
to stick on white. Listen,
bit of lipstick.
I've got to do some programme stuff. Hold on a minute.
Keeping Gloucestershire moving.
On FM, online, and on DAB digital radio.
BBC Radio Gloucestershire.
So we're doing a very visual thing on the radio. We're making Christmas lanterns with Philip and Catherine. I'd say we're probably halfway through the process now. So
well-
what do we do now?
Okay, we've got our snowflakes.
Yeah.
So should have 4 snowflakes.
So where are you doing this today, Philip?
We're doing it in King's
Walk Shopping Centre.
Walk Shopping Centre.
Yeah.
We're doing it there's a shopping unit there. There's an empty unit that we're using for today. It should have posters
Yes.
on the window, and
What
we'll have
time
a
are you
sign.
starting?
We're starting what time?
About
Kath?
11,
11.
running through till about 3.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll have an ISA frame outside so everybody will see which way they get into it. To come into the unit. Come and
Okay.
make them with us today.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Make
this
as
is
many as we can.
This is for the procession, Gloucester's Lantern Procession tomorrow, which
It is.
starts at 4:30
Yep.
outside Blackfriars Priory. So
Yep.
you want everybody to come along. And I know that schools in Gloucester have been making these lanterns as well, so it's going to look
Yeah,
It'd be
it's
gorgeous.
going to be great. And this
Yeah.
is the chance to make your own personal lanterns. So, I mean, I know the big lanterns have been made by school children and lots of different people. But anyway,
but it's
okay.
nothing like making your own, Philip.
Nothing like making your own. So, okay.
Yeah, look
right,
at that.
Brilliant.
Woo.
Brilliant. You've done that.
Mine don't look like snowflakes.
So, a
but
bit of Pritt stick, and we stuck the snowflakes on all four sides of our lantern.
Yeah, done that.
So it's nicely decorated.
Done that.
Yeah.
Okay, we've got
Come
our
on,
box.
Philip.
Faye's
Now,
ahead
we've
of
got,
you here.
keep up.
Right, okay, keep up. We've got our bases.
This is blowing my mind because I don't know how we're going to stick that to the
Polystyrene
I'm going to show you
polystyrene.
now. Don't
So-
worry.
Thank you.
We open up the box.
Open up the box.
There we go, and we put the base from the top down, and we just
Oh my goodness.
push it down
How do you know it's going to fit?
because they're perfectly sized.
Yeah, you say
And
that.
And Faye'll probably have one that isn't.
Are they perfect? Did they go in? That's it. It's
I
real.
made a
You made one, right?
lantern!
Okay. You made a lantern. Now what you've got to do is turn it on its side. Just push the base out slightly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a
push
couple
it,
of halfway out from
Halfway
the base,
out.
the bottom.
and a bit of sellotape. Where's the sellotape?
I've
There
got
we go.
one there. Oh, I've pulled mine out completely.
Okay.
Disaster.
Do it again.
Don't worry, this is the tricky bit.
So you're sticking the
Sticking
paper bit to your polystyrene.
polystyrene base
And these last, don't they? You can
They
use
do
them
last.
again and again.
Yeah.
again and again.
I mean, they get the chance to take them home tomorrow as well, but you know,
It's
they
a
could
make-
actually make
make
one,
and take.
make and take, and maybe one to leave for the procession if they want, or bring it along to the procession on
Yeah.
Sunday.
Does it cost to do the workshop? Or
No,
is it free?
it's free.
Completely
Oh, it's all free.
all free.
Free. Yeah.
Family friendly, so we encourage anybody to get involved.
Any ages,
That's-
definitely.
We've made it
yeah.
so easy that anyone can do this. Don't
I'm
be
going to take
afraid
a
of doing
picture
art.
of my lantern and post it on. You're going to be amazed, I think, when you see this.
I think you will
folks.
be.
You'll just be like, she is so wasted in radio. She should be an artist. She's just brilliant. So yeah, I'll put that up on Twitter. Yeah, what do I need to do now?
LED lights. Now, normally we stick these in the middle, but we haven't got any
We've got them in the car.
thingy sticky stuff. And
Getting thumbs up from
switch
Maddie,
them
the
on,
producer.
Switch them on.
Are
And
you switched on?
I'm switched
You're
on.
switched on.
Hey!
you can't see them unless you dim the lights in the studio.
We can
but
do that. We can
Okay.
turn the lights off.
There
Can
we
you?
go.
Do you mind turning those lights off? Just
Pass
those
the
ones there, yeah.
thing.
And that. Yay!
Yay! Look at that. It's even flickering as well.
That
Like a
is
real flame.
beautiful.
There you
Thank
go.
You
Well
so
done.
much.
Okay.
Yay.
So we expect to make hundreds of these today. Hopefully, people
Yeah, no
can
pressure.
come down.
No pressure.
But they're really easy to make and they're great fun. And I'm sure.
And lots of different
Very
colours.
satisfying as well.
Very satisfying. So just remind us where you're going to be today and what you're making and anything else. Any other dazzling detail.
Christmas lanterns, personal lanterns that you can carry in the parade for tomorrow, and you come down to King's
Walk Shopping Centre.
King's Walk Shopping
Between
Centre.
11 and 3. We may go on a little bit later. Who knows?
Who knows?
But really, come along, have fun, and make lots and lots of lanterns with us.
That's it.
Thank you so much for coming in today. Was
Pleasure.
that quite stressful for you? Did it feel stressful? Is that
Not
most-
as stressful as the workshops themselves.
No.
In comparison, 9 to 10. No, because no,
I think
it's great.
You did really well. Thank you so much for coming in today. I hope it goes super down in Gloucester today. So if you want to go down, that's from 11 o'clock today. And we are making these because it's the lantern procession tomorrow in the city centre. If you want to join in, bring your lantern down, and then everybody's meeting outside Blackfriars Priory at 4:30, and then the procession goes through the city centre and finishes at the cathedral, where a carol service will take place for all of the community. Amazing! Feel a bit stressed now, a bit worked up after. I mean, it was a nice thing to do, the Christmas lantern thing. But, you know, when you're doing it to like 7 minutes to make this amazing thing. If you want to see my creation, I've just mine's pretty rubbish like that. I've just tweeted a picture. You can see it on our Twitter feed at BBC Gloss. If you made one at home, show me. I want to see it. So are you taking part in the procession tomorrow? It starts at 4:30 outside Blackfriars Priory.